So guys, to prepare this recipe, we need onion. Onion is very effective in treating body tags. So guys, the first thing you need is you have to peel off the onion. I'm not going to use all. I will use just this small one because I'm making just small recipes. So guys, after peeling off the onion, the next thing you will do is you glitter it. Either you glitter the onion or you blend it. I'm going to glitter this one. So guys, this is the onion that I glitter. I have to transfer it in a small plate. So the next thing we need is ginger. I'm using the powdered one. If you don't have the powdered ginger, you can glitter the ginger or you blend it. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of ginger and mix it together. So guys, the next thing we need is lemon. We are going to use the lemon juice. So I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. So the last thing we need is olive oil. Just add half teaspoon of olive oil and mix it very well. So guys, this is how to apply it. You apply it to the place where you have the tag like this. You apply it like this. I hope you guys are seeing it. You apply it. You apply it. apply it on the area you have tags on your body. You leave it for 30 minutes, then you wash it off. You can store this recipe in a fridge. You apply it daily for 5 days, you get a perfect result. So guys, this is end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys once again, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.